There are many different resources you can choose from to find educational materials. Since this was a science topic, let's look at cubes. Let's see if Pressbooks has anything. Let's look at PhET. And as you can see, many other resources exist. We have the Digital Library of Idaho. We have DOAB. We have DOAJ, which looks at journals. Here we have the directory of open access journals. And you can find information from that. Here I'm going to look at Pressbooks directory. We have all these limiters, license, subjects. We have collections in which it is located, publisher, and you can filter these things to make sure you're getting the most accurate and precise things for your courses. We have Atoms First, OpenStax Chemistry 110, created by PSU. We have biology, all these different resources that you can filter. And it looks like we have 12 books from Pressbooks. Cubes is a BioQuest project. It's biology and geology and geography, etc. And so if we look at molecular structure, this might not be the most relevant, but who knows? If you're looking for things that have to do with biology, you could find something there. PhET has interactive simulations. And so if you wanted to look at molecular structure through chemistry, you might find something there. We have things about density, building a molecule, and again, more limiters, physics, chemistry, grade level, compatibility. Does it have H5P or does it use Java or Flash? H5P is something we're working with, and I have another training on that, and I might revise that. So there's always new information about that. Inclusive features. Many different items exist and sources to help you find them. We have textbooks. We also have ancillary materials. Math, again, PhET, OpenStax, virtual labs. And so if you would like access to these lists, or if you would like me to research for you or to help you with your research, feel free to ask me. But I am here to help with whatever you want to find. So here are some resources you can use. I hope that this training has been informative on general research practices regarding OER. Thank you.